Hello everyone, today is Thursday the 4th of December 2025, approximately 7:30 p.m. Sydney time. So I'm at home and everything. It's so hot today and I'm just relaxing, eating, resting, and just trying to finalize the songs and lyrics and all my stuff that I'm releasing for next year and everything. Yeah, it's really hot here, and everything. It's like burning hot, like as if it hurts. It's not like in Laos where it's hot but sticky and it's you can bear it. You can just have a shower and it just goes away. But here it's different. Okay. And yeah, so I'm doing everything for my products release and yeah, so wait for it. 1st of January 2026. Peace out.